put my gloves on. Them a bit big, but them are done. You may need hair ties to help. Start, we're gonna put the meat in. Below. Yay. I can feel it. Once it's squished, put it to the side. Now take your smelly gloves off to the side. Yikes. You might want to have 2 carrots and grate them. Trying to not chop your finger off. That's 2 carrots done. Now time to lift it up. You got to cut the onion with a grown-up because you might cut your finger off, but eat the leftovers of the carrot. This way. First we're gonna put the carrot and then the onion into the bowl with the meat. You might need gloves. Now some breadcrumbs. First, we're gonna put a squirt of honey in. Then we're gonna put tomato sauce in. A squirt. Oops. Add a little bit of curry with a little spoonie. Bit of salt and pepper. My favourite thing is cracking eggs. Add the eggs to the mix. Blue. Use what you can to mix it. Put pieces into balls. This spoon gives them a little slicing down. look like this when you finished. Cook for 10 minutes. Little bit of tomato sauce and chilies, and thanks for watching. Bye.